Alright guys, so we're back here with the old Mazda MPS, so we're just doing a wee video on it. So I've done a couple of mods to it since the last done the video. So it's got the MazdaSpeed door stickers on it now. Got a rugged garage sticker on the back of it. I just fixed up all these. I got these from Temu, so like $4, just replacement parts because they're all missing on the car. I gave it a cut. It needs another wash, but it's got a cut and polish and stuff on it. Some stickers and stuff on the rear of it. MPS shit there. A couple other stickers I made on my Redbubble. And then yeah, the door thing there. It's had new spark plugs in it. And it's just general service. And then I put a new intake on it. And I've done the blow-off valve, so I blocked that off on it. So it's a bit of a mash, but just open. There we go. Alright, so yeah, I blocked the blow-off valve on it, so you probably won't really be able to see it, but in between that blow-off valve there is a piece of drink can, so like a soda can. I've just cut it off, made it exactly the same as the blow-off valve. And that's just sitting in there now, just like that. So that goes in between. Obviously this isn't hooked up, I've disconnected that. That's been blocked off down. You won't really be able to see it, it's blocked off in there. And then yeah, it's got the intake and stuff in it. It's still got the standard pipe from the way back, from the red tube back. I've got a Cork Sport one, but I had some issues when I was going to install it. The spark plugs were fucked in it. Installed the lower part of the intake and the car wasn't running right, and I'm thinking, no, it's not right, it should still run. It wasn't even getting to boost and shit, and then pulled it off, put it back to original, the stock one, and then it ran perfectly fine. And I was like, what the fuck's going on here? And then after a couple of days after, it just started running like shit. I was breaking up when I was in boost and stuff, so the spark plugs were just completely fucked in it. And then yeah, I've upgraded this to a GFB. Not that it actually is used at the moment, but it is a GFB one, because the factory one has a little plastic nipple and that snapped off. So, but yeah, so it's running no blow-off valve now, and it's on a standard tune. It's going to need new tyres soon. That just rips the tyres up, this car. So yeah, that's going to be the next thing. I've done a couple interior things, just gave it a really good clean. It's got rust and shit there, and on the other side as well, which is quite common. It's got a MazdaSpeed little logo thing there, and then just yeah, the interior's been kind of cleaned. Obviously there's all dirt and stuff in here, but yeah, so I'm just trying to hook my mic up here so we can get a couple of videos of us honing down the road in it, but we'll see how we go.